Hello. Yeah, so I'm back with another Java coding question, and this coding question has been asked in many of the interview problems, and so I'm covering it. And today I'll be solving directly on the lead code. And basically, the problem is of largest number you need to form given out of integer nums array, and you need to form it and such that this number should be the largest among all the possible combinations of the number you are having. So this is the medium type of problem, and this problem we will be solving it using the java 8. And before that, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And apart from this, I have covered many of the interview of coding questions in my java most asked coding questions or most asked question and answer series. Please go and watch it. And so this problem also we will try to approach it with the java 8 perspective only, using java 7. There are multiple versions or multiple ways to approach this problem, but using java 8 we will try to solve it using the comparator logic here of sorting one. So basically what it's saying that you will be given an list of non-negative integers, nums, and you need to arrange them such that it form the largest number and return it. Basically you will be given an integer nums array, and inside that there will be a non-negative numbers. That means there is no negative number inside this nums array, and you need to form such that the it returns the largest number, and it should be a that return type should be of string type instead of an integer, because this number can be very large. So that they have given a choice that it will be of you can return directly into string format. So similarly, for example, 10 comma 2 is there. So if we form the numbers both by either combining of these, so it will be 102 or 210. Two ways are there, two combination are possible of this both the numbers. So 210 is greater than 102, so that's why we are returning 210. Similarly here, 9 is the greater one in these all the numbers. So 9, firstly we have taken that first digit, then 5 will be the first other greater number, it will be forming it. So out of these 30, 34 and 3, so 5 we have taken. Then 34 is greater than 30 and 3, so we have taken 34. Then there are two combinations, like it forms 330, 330 or 303. So 330 is greater, so we have taken 330. So that's how we need to approach this problem, and we need to basically try to convert this. We will be doing it, we will using java 8, we will try to convert this to a string array, and then after that we will be forming the largest number using the sorting method or using the comparator logic. That is the main logic here. So let's get started here only. Let's get started here only in the lead code only. And before that, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so here only directly we will try to convert it into a string array. And what we will be doing it, we will be streaming it this particular nums array, and arrays dot stream, and inside that we will be passing this nums array. So through that we can stream, and we can get one by one digit, and then after that we can it will give the integer nums array, then we will try to convert into one by one into string. So that we can do using map to object directly, like we do for character also. One by one we convert it, if you have seen, from string to character conversion. So similarly here also we will convert from integer to string value. So string, then we have the value of there, then we will convert this into string array. We want that particular into string array, our main motive is and again we need to pass this string array, and here we need to pass the new keyword here basically. So it will give you the string array, and then after that what we will be doing it, we will be sorting this particular string array by using our own custom logic or comparator. Arrays dot sort is there, and then we will be passing this string, and then custom comparator logic we will be passing here. Two values variables we will be taking, a comma b, then inside that b concatenate b plus a, then compare. 2 is there for custom logic comparator. So a concatenate or a plus b, then it will be returning the numbers or the string array into the descending order, like the first greater integer, then the second greater integer by comparing it. So that's it. Now there is an edge case which I am covering it. Suppose after this sorting also we get the first integer as 0 only. Dot equals, if it is 0, suppose, in any case, so then what we'll be doing it, we will be returning directly 0 here only. Okay, my mistake, we need to close this bracket here. Okay, this is done. Now directly we can return it string dot join. There is a method which join this integer values, or sorry, string values, one by one, and without having space we want to join it, so directly we can pass this array. Now let me run this problem. So here 10 comma 2 was there, so 210 is the greater number, then 3 30 34 59 is there, so this is the greater number. So let me explain you the logic, like what is behind it is happening. Basically what we are doing it, we are streaming this integer arrays dot stream nums, then we are converting into a string using a string value of, then we are trying to convert it into array of, and here we pass this string and new operator, otherwise if we don't pass this here, so it will convert into an object array, but we want the array of string type, so that's why we are returning this string new. Then we are writing, this is the main logic. Once we have got this conversion of nums array to string array, then what we are doing it, we are using arrays.sort and writing our custom own logic comparator, that a comma b plus a is dot compared to a plus b. That means like 10 comma 2 was the number, suppose two numbers are there, so our first number a is 10 and b is 2, so 10 plus 2 means this is not a plus operation, it is doing the concatenation operation in string, if you are aware that we are in it doesn't have this plus it doesn't having this integer numbers are not adding it, as it is a string array, so it will try to concatenate two numbers, two digits, means 10 plus 2 it will form 102 dot compared to a plus b. Sorry, my mistake, b plus a is there, so b is the 2 and a is 10, so 2 plus 10, so it will form 210 dot compared to 102, it will form 10 and plus 2, so it will form 102, so 210 is the greater one, so first integer value will be stored at the 0th index will be 2, then after that at the first index it will get stored in string array as 10, so that how it will be sorting in the descending order, and that is the main logic behind it, that b plus a means b's second integer value will be coming first here, and then a plus b means a will be coming first here b, and if this is greater, so this b will be getting stored at the first 0th index, if a plus b is greater, so a is getting stored at the 0th index, so that how it will get sorted into the string array. And once the string array is sorted, so what we are checking, if suppose somehow we all the numbers were 0 in the string array, so first integer will also be 0, first index value, so if it is true, then we are returning directly 0, and otherwise we are using string dot join, and one by one all the numbers will be joined. 10 comma 2 may sorry 210, it 2 comma 10 is there, so 210 will be joined and it will return 210 as the string value. Otherwise if you don't want to string dot join, if you don't want to use it, so you can go with the for each loop, and there also like there is a way that one by one you can add it into one another output string you need to declare, and then you can return that output string. So if you see it, so we have solved this problem, 2 3 4 5 lines of code we have solved this problem, or total if it is coming into one line, so 4 lines of code we have solved it. And the overall time complexity as we are doing the sorting, so o n log n into k is the number of digits of the integer array, so o bracket n log n into k, so that is the time complexity of this problem. And trust me, this is a simpler approach, and this will this will helps you to learn the java 8 also, like just nothing we are doing it as per the question, it wants to get you the string number, you want the output as a string, so we are converting this nums integer array into string array, then we are sorting this string array, and then we are checking the test case, and otherwise we are joining it. So this is the approach, and that's it from my side, and hope you like my problem and hope you like my problem and solution, and please like, share and subscribe, and that's it. Thanks, bye.